Oh my god, guys, I did not edit this video. I'm so sorry. So I just got the slime. I gotta go really fast though. So it's like, it's purple. I just added lotion to it. Oh my god. It stretches. It's like really good slime. It's like pearly purple. It's like really good slime too. I don't have like much slime. I don't have a lot, but like I might get some for Christmas. I don't really know though. My friends might give me some, and I'll get that next week. If you guys don't like know what I'm doing, like I'm just playing with the slime like normally, it's because I'm looking at you guys' comments. Oh, I just got a text. Let's see who this is from. This is from Jenny. I wish happy to see you today. Happy to see